Alright, back at this.
No taxes, no
Mr.
So make a real
Wong.
change. For the
You
best.
see the red wire right there.
Faster internet, advanced voice, more savings, and no contracts.
Channel 3.
Spectrum Business.
Second port. And the last one is the black ground. Same side as the receiver wire. The receiver wire is red, black, and white as well, so yep, the red and black are in the correct place. Now I'm going to try something else here. Real fast. Someone else recommended I try.
As a waitress, you're running all over the place. Well, if you have a 4 or 6 hour shift and you're in pain the whole time, that seems like an eternity. I was just aching. My feet were throbbing. I was just genuinely hurting. I kind of lost hope, and then I saw the Good Feet store, and I decided to stop in. When I went in there, that's when everything changed. My name is Kristen, and that's my Good Feet story.
See for yourself with a free personalized arch support fitting at the Good Feet store.
Call 800-708-1788.
Attention America, it's time to take our Sundays back. Why watch for Whippy Downs when you could watch total breakdowns? Bump and run, or try hit and run. And Snap's even better. We've got Snap. Take Sundays back. Reclaim the remote. Forget football. Sundays are back. Sunday, January 8th at 6.
Here we are. It's the music class.
Sorry about that. So it's going to
Well, congratulations. You're the new mayor of Sodom and Gomorrah.
let's go to
Keep the faith, sister. Just keep faith. Remember, our Lord said, "Oh,
Mike says,
and you better be tough as nails, too."
okay.
Good morning. I'd like to introduce myself. Would you all put your seats back in order, please?
Blue on 3.
This funny problem with my ears. I don't like a lot of noise, so maybe you could do it quietly. Thank you so much. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Sister Mary Clarence. I am your mama.
Let's try blue.
No, sir, not your mama. Who's so dumb she got hit by a park car. Thank you. Let's try it.
I'm going to put blue on 3.
I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Tyler Chase, and on behalf of the whole music class as we are,
Tyler, that's how you got a little something in your nose.
Yeah, Tyler, pick this brown thing right around here. I love my time.
Thank you, Mr. Chase.
Okay, Mike, I'm going to put blue on 3.
Paper and plastic. I beg your pardon? Are you Richard?
Yeah.
You do this?
Yes. Sorry. That's why they call me Sketch. I've been sketches.
It's real good.
Yes.
Try to stay awake in my class.
The heck, my wire broke.